What could this be about? Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Let's listen in as he addresses the WWE Universe.
Confidence is good. Arrogance is not. Walking a fine line there. Not making any friends, but not really concerned about it either. Not making any friends, but not really concerned about it either.
Whoa, desperate much? I don't think you can be any more clear than that. I'd raise the old heart rate. Now that's how you promote a balance.